Hello guys and welcome back to Gina's Way. So we are doing a video today on CVS. I'm going to bring you the best deals and we're going to do a breakdown. So if you wanted to screenshot it, you can go ahead and do that. So this is the second week that we have the same ad, but we got different coupons and everything. So let's go ahead and take a look. So if you haven't done the cover girl deal, here we go. So we do have a couple coupons. They're $4 off and a $2 off one. We can pick up one for $5.59 depending on how much it is in your area. You can buy two. That'll be $11.18. We do have two coupons, the $4 off and a $2 off. So the final price, we're going to pay $5.18 out of pocket, but we're going to get back $5, making them 9 cents each, which is a 98% savings. Amazing, amazing deal. Okay, the next deal is this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotion. So mine was $6.99 in my store, and we do have coupons for $1.50 off. So what we could do, you guys, we could go ahead and buy two at $6.99. We could use that $1.50 coupon off, which is going to make that, it'll be $10.48 minus $1.50, which brings it about to $8.98. We can pay $8.98 and get back $6, making it $1.49. That is 78% off, which is another good, really good deal. Okay, so this next deal is on the Olay Regenerist. We do have CVS have a deal going on where if you buy $30 worth, you get $10 back. But we also have a coupon that if you buy two, you actually get $10 back. So that's taking $20 off. So if you guys wanted to do that deal, it's going to take $20 off for you. So I think that's a pretty good deal if you're interested in getting something of Olay. Okay, the next deal is you buy 30, get back $10, and you can pick up Bounce or Tide or Downy, anything you want to pick up, you can go ahead and do that. And of course, you can combine them with other coupons as well. We do have some $3 off Tide. We've got quite a bit of coupons that can be paired with that to make that a really sweet deal. So you can just get whatever you need and go ahead and clip those coupons to go with that and then get a sweet deal just like that. Okay, this next deal is kind of like a snack deal, snacks, cereals, things like that. We do have a coupon. So what it is you buy $10 worth of items, you're going to get back $3 in extra bucks, right? The General Mills cereals are $2.49 each, and then you got that Chex Mix is $1.99. So let's go ahead and throw together a deal scenario. We do have $1 off of two General Mills cereals. So what we could do is we could buy three of the General Mills cereal at $2.49. That brings it to $7.47. Then we can buy two of the Chex Mix at $1.99. That makes it $3.98. Now, total before coupons is going to be $11.45. Now, go ahead and use that coupon for the dollar off of two, making that $10.45. We're going to pay $10.45 out of pocket, but get back $3, making it $7.45 for all five products. It's about 34% off. So that's a pretty good deal. Well, it's a little bit of a savings for you if you wanted to go ahead and do that deal. So the next deal is on Tresemme. So there's a deal where you buy two and you're going to get back $5. Well, we have a $5 coupon, but you're also going to get back $4 in extra bucks. So here's what we can do. We could buy two of them at $7.79 a piece. That's going to be $15.58. We're going to use that $5 off coupon, and then that brings it down to $10.58. So we're going to pay $10.58 out of pocket, but get back $4. So that makes them $3.29 each, which is about a 57% off savings. So that's pretty good. Okay, so the next deal is going to be on the Ensure. So we have a $7 off of two, a digital coupon. And then also we have, you're going to get back $6 extra bucks when you buy two. So what we can do, we can go ahead and buy two. The total is going to be $23.58. And then we're going to use that $7 off coupon, brings it down to $16.58. We're going to pay $16.58 out of pocket, but get back $6, making them only $5.29 each, which is a 55% off savings. You guys know those things are expensive. So listen, I will take half off. Great deal on those. So next is a soft soap, and it is $2.49, but you get back $2. So it makes it $1.49 for this, which is a really good deal for the soft soap. And the last that we're going to talk about is this Dove. So this Dove is you buy three, you're going to get a $6 extra buck back. But we also have a $6 on three manufacturer or digital coupon as well. So what we can do is we can go ahead and buy three at $5.59 each, which brings us to 16.77. Then once we take off the coupon, it's going to bring us to 10.77. We're going to pay 10.77, but get back $6, making that $1.59 each. You guys, that is a 71% savings, which is an amazing deal for that Dove. I do want to say if you are new to couponing, this is such a good way to start. It's super easy. All look at the savings that we saved off of just using just digital coupons, okay? But there's so much more we can do. We've got different apps like Ibotta, we've got Fetch, we've got other things that we can get back money on. Also, once you get really good with couponing um, or you coupon a little more, they also will give you $10 off of 50 or $10. CVS will give you $10 off 70 or some other deals like that, or extra coupons to go along that you can use with the deodorants or whatever. And that is how you get deals for super, super cheap. But we'll go ahead and get into that. But I just want to show you guys that you can screenshot those. What I did, take them to the store, do deal by deal so that you can do those deals to get started off with. But what an amazing deal, amazing week, and just using your phone. Yeah. So if you're interested in this, want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Remember to thumbs up the video. And this is just kind of like a beginning video, but you guys know I will do more videos as we get more and more into it. So thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.